Okay, welcome to my channel. This video we're going to be going over some OMT, Orion Motor Tech tools. They seen one of my videos where I purchased some of their tools and did a review on them, so they reached out to me and wanted to send me some more stuff, so they did. So let's get the camera turned around and get into it. Alright, as you can see, Orion Motor Tech. Nine-piece long reach hose clamp plier set. So let me get this turned around, open it up, and get into it. Well, that ain't gonna stay up. As you can see, it's a long one on a cable. Goes down to there, and it's got a pick or hook and a Phillips screwdriver, and then that right there is the A1 is a repair for the cable, which I might need to use on my other one. Let's see, I don't know what I'm hitting here. And then this is just a book on it. It's pretty cool that they seen my video and liked it and then wanted to send me some more stuff. That's awesome. I appreciate that. Go slow on these. I will take these out one at a time and show you. Just wanted to show you in the case how cool it is. Now I have the cable one and either this one or this one in the Mayhew brand, but my cable on my one with the cable on it like this, the cable's about broke because I let somebody use it and right in here they kinked the cable. Oops, sorry about that. Right in here they kinked the cable, so that's why I don't like loaning tools out. Anyway, let me get the camera set back up there on tripod and take these out and show you one at a time. Alright, and they also sent me some gloves. I don't know what these gloves are for. It says size 10 on them, but they're way too small for my hand. No. Sorry about that, but they don't fit me. Anyway, let's start from the left to the right, I guess, as in that case. Yeah, I don't think this is it, but you can see the, hopefully you can anyway, the tips. And of course when you squeeze it in they lock. All you do is just push this in and unlock it. To open, you know, squeeze it in and it opens the clamp. And then you do this to close the clamp. Pretty sure this is the one that I got. I think. Anyway, you see how it's made. Same way, little lever on it, opens them up and locks them. This one here was kind of tight. Here you got this kind. I guess that's for gripping it on this by the side or at the tip. I really don't know. I've never even seen these kind before, but I'm sure they'll come in handy, right? Show you again so you can see it. Open that up a little bit so you can see inside there. Alright. Put that one back. And of course these are for removing hoses. I got a set of these. I don't think they have the rubber grips on it though, but I got a set. Sometimes these will get in places and sometimes they won't, but they do come in handy where they will fit in. Here's another one. Different design. Now I see why there's so many of them, because there's so many different designs of them. And you got this one here, spring loaded. I don't know if you can see that or not. And that one there is just like a cup. But as you can see, they're bent. These are pretty cool. Got a big old lever on it compared to them other ones. I don't know why that is, but we'll see. These are neat. Anyway, of course I really don't need to show this, but I'm sure everybody has seen this. This is just a pick in the hose to break the hose loose in case it happens to be stuck. It's pretty sharp, so you need to be careful with it if you get a set of these. Excuse me, it don't need to be sharp. That'll poke a hole in the hose. And then of course the screwdriver. It's probably not the best. Oh, check that out, it's reversible. The handle comes off. And it's a flat or Phillips. So that's pretty neat, I guess. I mean, all you're supposed to be using it for is hose clamps anyway, so there you go. That'd be handy. Man, this thing's got little clips all the way around holding this cable in. And then of course this is made a little bit different than mine. I don't really know why the spring is on here, unless it's supposed to be down here over this, and it probably is like that. But I don't think it would go on that end. But anyway, you see that? You see it close up? And so you can reach down in places that you can't get pliers to, barely see. You just do it by feel, hook it on there and squeeze it in. Take it right off. The clamp, that is. These are sweet. Pretty neat. Yep. See, as you can see, if you pull the handle in, this closes in. I guess you can see that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, and I'll get it back down and show you. Alright, we're going to try to go over these again just in case you didn't really see them all that good. Try to get it to where to focus. Well, I guess it ain't gonna focus, is it? Well, there you go. Alright, there's that one. Getting this one. Kind of hard to open these with one hand, but we'll do the best we can, right? And then there's the mechanism that holds them locked once you get a hose clamp in there. Wish I had a hose clamp to show you what I'm talking about, but I'm sure everybody knows what kind of hose clamps these are for. This kind. I think I showed this one pretty good up close, so we won't spend much time on it. And then you got these. These are for taking off lines, hoses, vacuum lines and stuff like that. Just put it on there and push, and it pushes the line off. These are handy to have. Like I said, they won't get into a lot of places, but the places they will get into, they're good to have. Go over here, open this one up. I hope that's focusing in there good for y'all, where you can see it good. And then this one's got a way bigger release on it than the other ones, and it's spring loaded too, so I think that's about as far open as it'll go. No, it ain't as far as it'll go either. There we go. Looks like a slot on that side and just a big cup on that side. These are pretty neat here. Definitely come in handy. And of course, the ones with the cable, I gotta hook the cable. You see there was a place there, a place here, here, here to hold this thing in there so it don't fall out. Okay, like I said, I did not pay for these. OMT, which is Orion Motor Tech, sent me these to do a review. They've seen one of my other videos. They liked it, so they got in touch with me on Instagram and wanted to know if I wanted to review any more of their stuff. And they sent me a list of stuff to choose from, you know, one item or one set. And most of the stuff I either already had or don't need. So I didn't have very many of these, plus the wire cable one that I have is kind of kinked and don't really work all that well. So I picked these, and these are pretty awesome. And I appreciate you sending these to me, OMT. They're gonna come in handy. I'll put a link down in the description to these on Amazon so everybody else can pick you up a set. I don't think they're that much money. They're affordable, they're good stuff. So anyway, like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.